Olha a explosão, quando ela bate com a bunda no chão, quando ela mexe com a bunda no chão, quando ela joga com a bunda no chão, quando ela sarra e o bumbum no chão.
This is Plantone, the smartest mini garden solution with only one mission: to keep your plants alive. With its smart lighting and the patent-pending auto-watering system, Plantone is one product solution for anyone to grow herbs and flowers indoors easily. Fill the water tank, plant the seeds, plug it in, and you're good to go. Plantone consists of 4 main units: the light tower, 5 autopots, the floater unit, and the water tank. The autopots sit on the floater unit. As you fill the tank, the floating action creates an osmotic pressure, helping Plantone to distribute the same amount of water to plants no matter how much the tank is filled, so you can grow your plants without worrying about overwatering or underwatering. A full tank provides 30 days of water to your plants, but if you're going to be away for a while, you can overfill the tank for up to an extra 30 days. The water tank prevents unwanted evaporation, which helps Plantone use 85% less water compared to regular methods. Plants may require different amounts of water. By adjusting the intensity of water for each autopot separately, you can grow 5 different species at the same time. You can use 2 different size canopy supports for rather bushy or top-heavy plants. The light tower is retractable and compact for saving space. The single button on top lets you control the intensity of the light and switch between different light cycles. The Plantone mobile app lets you create custom light schedules and adjust the lights remotely. Plantone can measure the intensity of the light around it, and it can self-adjust to prevent any unnecessary power consumption. Besides the electrical components, Plantone Diversity is made out of recycled and biodegradable materials with stability and quality in mind. We've tried to make Plantone fun and easy to use while supporting a wide range of seeds for your growing experience. Culinary Pack contains herbs that you can use as fresh condiments in your kitchen for adding that extra flavor to your dishes. Health Pack contains herbs and flowers which we, as humans, have been using medicinally for thousands of years. Diversity Pack provides plants catering to your decorative needs by matching the color profile of a photograph that you provide using the Plantone mobile app. Our mission is to empower and inspire people to grow plants whenever and wherever they please.
A garden is a fusion of light and air, earth and water. It's a living, breathing thing. A good gardener has to be mindful. You have to understand the interaction between all of nature's elements and what those mean for your plants. 18 months ago, I set out to create something that could change how people interact with their land, their plants, and their garden. Something that could help them better understand their environment, because understanding your environment is the first step to conserving it. I created a company called Eden, and this is our first product, the Eden Garden Sensor. Eden assesses soil nutrition in your garden, tracks how humid or dry it may be, the temperature, the kind of sunlight you're getting throughout the day. Then Eden takes all that information about your garden and cross-references it with meteorological data from the area you live in. Eden can tell you what type of fertilizer is best for your soil and what vegetables will thrive in it, when to plant them, and how often to water. And that advice isn't just based on generalities, it's based on what's happening in your garden right now. The end result is healthier, more sustainable plants, and hopefully, a deeper connection to your garden. It's really easy to overwater or underwater your garden. Our sprinkler systems just aren't that smart. We wanted to change that. This is the Eden water valve. It's a smart controller that manages your existing watering system. Unlike other watering systems, the Eden valve doesn't use a preset schedule. Eden knows exactly what your garden needs on any given day, and the valve automatically manages your sprinkler system to make sure your plants get precisely that. That means no more waste, no more underwatering, no more overwatering. Your plants get just what they need. If you're a novice gardener, we can help you grow something beautiful. If you're a master gardener, Eden can give you insight into what's happening beneath the surface of your soil. Minute changes in acidity and moisture, the kind of plant stressors that you wouldn't otherwise notice until it's too late. Together, we can take steps to change our food system for the better and make it more sustainable for generations to come. We're really excited to share Eden with you.